Hello and what's up guys. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can stop auto posting story or Instagram post directly to your Facebook account. If you are having this issue, then you must watch this video till the end. Without further ado, let's get started. In the first place, all you need to do is that to fix this problem, open your Instagram app. Go to the profile section. At the top right, you will see three horizontal bar. Click on it. Now go to the settings. Go to the account section. Click on setting to other apps option. Click on Facebook. At the automatically share section, you will see two options. One is for Instagram story and another is for Instagram post. Now, what you need to do is that turn off your Instagram story option if you don't want to share your Instagram story directly to your Facebook account story without your consent. Same thing apply to Instagram post. Turn it off if you don't want to share your Instagram posted photo to your Facebook account. After enabling both options, you have successfully fixed your issue. Congratulations! Hopefully this video helped you to fix your issue. Make sure you subscribe our channel so that you could enjoy the trustworthy and well-researched video on tech-related issue. Have a great day guys. Bye bye.